Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well today. In this video, I just want to have a relaxed chat about our new president Prabowo Subianto. This is definitely a big moment for us a country, and I'm sure many of us are both curious and hopeful about what the future will look like under his leadership. Many of us are familiar with how determined and committed Mr. Prabowo has been in his effort for this nation. Personally, I see that the determination as a major strength that could really drive Indonesia forward. He has a clear vision and he can bring that to life with sincerity and transparency. I believe we'll see positive change, especially in terms of economic independence and unity among the people. I think all of us want a leader who close to the people and understand what we genuinely need. As a diverse nation, we need a president who can embrace and unite all of us. And I really hope that under Mr. Prabowo leadership, we can become more solid and strong as one united country. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Let's all support Mr. Prabowo as he takes on this big responsibility. I did love to hear your thoughts too. What are you hope for Indonesia going forward? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going as we stay positive and hopeful for the future of our beloved country. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And right now I can see my slide my ini. I can just simple present. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to talk about something common, something that happens over and over again, or a general truth. Simple present tense is the most commonly used every day. I'm sorry. Characteristics of simple present tense sentence. The predicate in a simple present tense sentence is the form of a bare infinitive. The meaning of this form is that the third person verb is the sentence and is the letter s, or es. If it the form of verbal sentence, there is a question sentence. Then the word do or does must be added. Then a subject must be added. Meanwhile, nonverbal sentence begin with to be, are, is. In simple present tense sentence with negative form, you need to add the word do not, don't, or does not, doesn't. If there is a verb that in yes, it must be omitted. Simple present tense function. Number one is express emotion or feelings. The first function of the simple present tense is to express expression of feeling. Therefore, when you want to express expression and feeling through sentence, you can use simple present tense sentence. Number two, command or instructions. Simple present tense sentence also function to express command or instructions. So we often see order in instruction using simple present tense sentence. And number three is the pseudo event. Number four is general truth. Number five is repeated action. Simple present formula. Simple present is divided into verbal simple present and nominal simple present. Verbal simple present tense use verbs that show an action, while nominal simple present use the verb to be. Verbal simple present. The s or s ending on verb is only on the subjects he, she, and it. There are rules for adding the s or s suffix. And the way to know which word use s and s suffix is verb ending in y, and the letter before y is a vowel. The verb is added mean as say, because says, for example, Sonia say everything is going to be right. By common buys, example sentence is that buys a console game. Play become price is from example is he prays 5 times a day. Simple present tense pattern. Instead, efficient to said the tense are part of basic grammar. When running tense, we will come access the term first person singular plural second person singular, and third person singular. What actually are first person, second person, and third person? First person is the first person point of view. In this case, referring to speaker or writer. In first person singular, the pronoun is I if the s in if the self is the subject, using me, my, or mine. If the self is object, and showing ownership is first person plural is the pronouns used for first person plural we. If the subject us, if it the object, and our or ours. If it show ownership, hammer us. Oh, sorry. To know which to want to use, you have to know the context, the tenses first. Second person is the point of view of the second person, of the person who we are talking to the at the time. The pronoun used in second person singular are you if it the subject, you are yours if it is show ownership, and the third person singular used in the person singular are he, she, or it. The situation is when we are talking about someone who is not present among us. Third person plural used in third person plural are they, them, and their. Use of simple present tense. Recurring event are events that occur regularly or are habitual. It is usually marked with an arc of time. Example sentence: I eat 3 times a day. Our class starts at 9 a.m. I am a doctor. General truth describe an undeniable fact or general truth. Example sentence is the sun rises from the east. Rabbit eats vegetables. Expressing feelings, emotion, talk of person. Example sentence are I am excited about this good news. It is so beautiful. Giving and other instructions. Example example sentence are giving order or instructions. Pour sugar into the glass of water and stir it until they are mixed. Future condition expresses a condition that is to come, but the time is secure or close to now. Example sentence: the birthday party start from 7 p.m. And the next slide is present continuous. What is present continuous? The meaning of present in the present. So the definition of present continuous tense is a tense for that you can use to explain something or express an action that is taking place during a centering time expression. Present continuous tense formula: positive tenses. In a positive tense, the subject used is usually a pronoun or a noun. Pronoun, according to their point of view, can be divided to three types. Types. A positive present continuous tense is the tense sentence is subjects plus to be plus verb in verb objects. Okay, the next is negative sentence. As the name suggests, negative sentences are characteristic by having the word not in them. It is located between to be and verb in. So the formula of a negative present continuous tense is subjects to be plus not plus verb in verb objects. Next, integrative sentence. The next is integrative sentence. We had question and yes or no question. Next is after of time used in present continuous tense. In S tense, there is an adverb of time that is used to show when the event being talking about happened. while the absence of time is the present continuous are now, today, at the moment, at the present. This is right now. Verb, verb use in present continuous tense. When learning the present continuous tense, there are some rules related to the use of verbs. The main rule is that you must use dynamic verb. Dynamic are Dynamic verbs are verbs that show a process of action. Some water example of static verbs include exist, love, don't see, have, possess, think, belong. Use of present continuous tense. Besides being used to express an ongoing event, the present continuous tense can be used for several other conditions, including its condition is event that occur before and after a specific time. Example is my brother is usually going to work at 9 o'clock. And two in condition is an event that you dog would only happen temporarily. The example is congrats Andi, your English is improving now. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.